friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. By request, today's vocal warmup is going to start in a mid to high range, and it's going to work down. This will work on a seamless transition between registers. If you'd like to do a little bit more low range work first, please feel free to check out one of my other videos like this one above. As always, feel free to switch octaves as needed, and the exercises are listed in the About section below. Now check in with your breathing, taking a couple of low, slow breaths and connect with your body. Notice and release any tension that doesn't serve you well. Come into an aligned but relaxed position for singing. And we will start with a glide on the word spee. It's like speed without a D, like spee, and go. Spee, spee, spee. Next, let's move to a V sound, and we can simply sing and sing. Next, let's sing on Sulu, Sulu, Su. This is very round, and we're going to sing Sulu, Sulu, Su. Here we go. Sulu, Sulu, Su. 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 For this next exercise, we're going to sing on key, like key, Let's bring in the idea of extreme relaxation as we sing on la la la, like la la la. Here we go. La la la. 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 la, la, la. to a lip trill, singing. Here we go. Next exercise, we're going to turn it around and work low to high as we sing money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo, and go. Money, 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 mo. 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 For this next exercise, we're going to work on a very rounded and relaxed ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Here we go. Now let's sing on Hng-ah, like Hng-ah, Hng-ah, Let's do just a little bit of range extension. We'll go down and back up. Let's sing on Vowel, like Vowel, and go. Vowel, 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 Vowel. upside down gently. Thanks so much as always for singing with me today. Make sure to check out news and announcements in the About section below. I've got some exciting things coming up in the next few months. Let me know what you'd like to work on next, and I will see you next time.